Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today I'm going to be making some disinfectant wipes. I'm all out and it's such an easy recipe to make that I wanted to share it with you. Before I do that though, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It's so overwhelming. Every time I see the numbers change, I'm so grateful. And I'm so glad that you're coming along for the ride. So without further ado, let's get started. You're going to need some sort of container. I'm just reusing this one. I've reused it I don't know how many times over and over again. It just works well and I figure, you know what, why recycle something that I can reuse again. If you want to go more of a prettier route, you can use a glass container. Make sure that you have one with a lid. And if you've got one that actually seals with a rubber ring, that's even better. What you're also going to need is some soap. I'm using Sal Suds for this. And you're going to need some alcohol. This one is 91%. This is probably the highest one I can find right now, and it works just great. What you're also going to need is some essential oils. I use lemon and lime. It gives it a nice, clean, fresh scent that smells like you've just cleaned your entire house, which is fantastic. That's exactly what you're looking for. And you're also going to need a roll of paper towels, and you're going to need some distilled water, about a cup. You can also use pre-boiled water as well and let that cool off before you start mixing things up. So let's start mixing. So let's start by sizing our paper towel roll to the container that you're going to use. You're going to want to get a nice sharp knife because you're going to have to cut it, because normally these paper rolls are way too tall for the containers that are available. So you're going to have to cut the top off the roll and then be able to fit it into your container. Now that you have your paper roll cut, you can either put it in your container and then wait to the end to remove the center roll. But I'm going to remove it now because I can't fit all the paper towels in there, plus the center roll. That's just from something that I've learned along the way. Now, like I said, you can do it now or you can do it later. It depends on whether or not you're going to be able to fit all the paper into the container. So let's start mixing our solution to put into our container. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of either distilled water or boiled water cooled. To that, you're going to add 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. I'm using a 91%, but if you use anything from 70% up, you'll be good. To this, you're going to add your soap. I'm using Sal Suds, but you can use dish soap as well. So at this point, you can add any essential oils that you wish. I like to use lemon and lime because it smells extremely fresh. I normally use between 10 and 30 drops depending on how much of a scent that I want, but you can use as much or as little as you would like. So now we're going to add our mixture to our container and our paper towels. Be sure to slowly pour it in because you don't want to spill any of it. Allow the paper towels to absorb as much of the liquid as possible. If you haven't already taken out the center roll, be sure to take that out now. You're going to want to pull out the center sheets so that once you put the lid on, you are able to pull out the sheets one by one. So now add your lid and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you want to check out some of my other videos, you can do that right there. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.